Welcome to our van life with our three chihuahuas, episode 104. Here we are in Tofino, British Columbia on Vancouver Island. It is beautiful here and we can't wait to show you around the area. Stay tuned and we thank you all for watching. Hi everyone, we made it here to Tofino, British Columbia, and it is absolutely beautiful. It is making steak for dinner tonight.
We're at the ocean, not quite van lifing, but we always have a hankering for some nice ribeyes. These are Canadian ribeyes. The beauty of grilling steak is it can be done very quickly.
What are we eating for
and then
dinner
we're
tonight?
doing our usual bag salad and try to be as economical as possible in the space. So we did bag salad and pre-made mashed potatoes.
I think we'll try the hot tub tonight, so I'm looking forward to that too. We decided not to go down to the beach tonight because we're pretty famished and tired from the driving. We've been up since 6 o'clock this morning, so the dogs are also pretty tired, but well, they're behaving really well, and we're gonna fire up the fireplace. We're gonna set up the fireplace later on tonight to make it cozy, because I think it's supposed to drop down to 30 something tonight. And tomorrow the weather forecast is supposed to be cloudy, maybe some rain, we will see.
So this is new to us. It's called One Light. It's handmade in British Columbia for a fire starter. Has a handy dandy little instruction packet where you just light the wicks, place it in the middle, and voila, fire. So we're gonna get a little cozy here. We got the Weber burning hot, about as hot as it's gonna get. And we are gonna put these puppies on, get some grill marks. Sizzle, sizzle. All right.
Setting up the fireplace. We'll make it nice and cozy in here, because we're planning to use the hot tub tonight, and then so when we come back here we'll have a nice cozy cabin going.
The tide is out. It's Wednesday morning and we're gonna head down to the beach and do a little walkabout like these guys are doing. It's cloudy today, but it's like it just rained a little bit ago, but not super wet. All right, we're finally heading down to the beach after much preparation to see what's what. So we're going that way. by. And these are some of our resort cabins. So you can be literally right on the ocean at Crystal Cove. This is about where our view kicks off. That is all the way out. So up to the right, which we'll be driving up to shortly, goes to Tofino, and we'll get some aerial shots here shortly. Resort next to us is called Ocean Village. It's a bunch of kind of barn shaped. Looks like the tide's starting to roll in a little bit. A bunch of crazy islands out here. Yesterday there were a bunch of surfers right out here off of these rocky areas. There must be a break that forms potentially in the afternoon.
Your van there, it looks like.
Yeah, it looks like we have a little day use spot over here. Another van lifer parked in.
There's some
do a little
RVs
surfing.
also.
On further look, looks like a day use campground spot that you can back right into the beach view. Couple of campers there. Very cool. This is where people are going out into the ocean and going in and warming up. So we are gonna explore a bit on this expansive Tofino, Crystal Cove area as the tide is gonna chase us to the outskirts a little bit, catch some video, and then we're gonna head up the coast a bit to Tofino City, check out some of the restaurants and other areas, and then continue as much as we can around this area, because there's a ton of stuff to see, but as we saw and showed you coming in, it is diverse. So we're really excited to have some time, even though it's just one full day, to be able to check out this beautiful area of Tofino on western Vancouver Island.